Hi, it's Garrett Smith again. Welcome to episode 15 of The Resonance. This is really a part 2 of what I started yesterday. If you remember, I went through the gas turbine combined cycle plant where waste heat makes steam. Steam produces more electricity for more efficiency. That's called a GTCC, the gas turbine combined cycle. The most clean and efficient methods of that in the world are part of our Bushnell thermodynamic system. And that's the key there, is these are advanced thermodynamics, which is part of mechanical engineering, really just energy transfer. And that's a core field of science that is one of our core competencies. And then as I described, we take the flue gases from the waste gas from the combustion of the turbine, which by the way, that's called the air standard Brayton cycle. The steam turbine side, the Rankine water vapor cycle, hence the combined cycle. In our system, through photosynthesis right here, we create algae. A simple equation from CO2 plus water plus light. Photosynthesis produces sugar, biomass plants, in this case algae, and oxygen. And by the way, that's another amazing thing. O2 is the byproduct of this. So an O2 plus sunlight produces ozone. So another solution hidden in plain sight. Now, what we do coming down with the algae, like I talked about yesterday, we come in and we pyrolyze that in electric arc pyrolysis to not only make graphene, which is highly valuable, extraordinarily valuable, it changes the whole economic equation, but also additional fuels. And that's where we come in and say that it's the combined cycle, because we're thermodynamically optimized, and through photosynthesis and light, right here with pyrolysis, arc pyrolysis, producing algae, or converting algae into graphene and other fuels. So hence the combined plus combined cycle. Then the amazing part, and I might be going on a little bit long here, but this is what I wanted to get to because this is profound. Right here we can also, into this system, bring any solid fuel, coal, manures, and many of you think of us as a waste energy company. That's fine, municipal solid waste. Any carbonaceous product can come in first into the pyrolysis and then create fuels and graphene for high value, and the fuels come up. Well, now what we've done in the Darial 360, I'm going to write this down right here. The Darial 360 patent, the final one just formed, was named 360 for that reason, that it's circular. You can come into this system from anywhere. We're the only company in the world that has a process that can take any fuel in any condition and create not only an uber profitable, hyper profitable system, but also the only one in the world that is 100% pollution free. We can start with gas liquid fuels, we can start with solid fuels, we can start with anything, and we produce things everyone needs every day, and no emissions and no pollution. We are concentric. This is the future, and it starts now.